The sky is bright, the sky is dark. The water is warm, the water is cold. Sometimes hot, sometimes cool. But wonder, clean or dirty, expensive or cheap, wet or dry, hard or soft, a free walk. Fresh or old, fast or late, early or slow, this is the world I see. Every day anew, grand and mighty. The stone is hard, the blanket is soft. A fact is true, a fable is untrue. That is the strength, the path is easy, a mountain is difficult. A street is quiet, a market is busy. That is the kingdom. Clean or dirty, expensive or cheap, wet or dry, hard or soft, a free walk. Fresh or old, fast or late, early or slow, this is the world I see. Every day anew, grand and mighty. Sometimes a person is nice, sometimes a person is strict, sometimes a door is open, sometimes a heart is closed without life. Sometimes the answer is certain, sometimes it is uncertain, and between all these words I find my place. Of state, from beautiful to ugly, from love to hate, from warm to cold, from new to worn out. And with every word I learn to better measure the world. This is the pie, the color of being, from cheap to special, from busy to fine.